Hi everyone. Today in this class we will discuss the concept equal chords and distance from their center. Okay. So equal chords and distance from their center in a circle. Okay. Consider let AB be a line segment. Okay. Let AB be a line segment. Consider one AB line segment here. A here. B. So AB a line segment from the line this, and consider P is a point. P is a point. Okay, since there are infinite number of points on a line, if you join these points to P, you will get infinite many line segments. For example, first one I will draw here PL1, next PL2, next middle one M, PL3, PL4. Okay, so there are infinite number of lines on the AB. We can draw infinite number of lines from P to line segment B. For this explanation I drawn only 4 lines from P to AB line segment. P and M be the perpendicular line to the AB line segment here. Which of these is the distance? You may think a while and get answer. Out of this line segment, the perpendicular P to M is the very shortest one compared to the others. Clear? So P to M is the least distance from other chords from P to line segment AB. Okay. So finally what you concluded, the length of the perpendicular from a point P to a line is the distance of the line from the point P. Okay. So using this concept in the circle, a circle have infinite number of chords. Okay, circle have infinite number of chords like this. Okay, using this concept, so center is here, center of the circle, so we can draw infinite number of chords. Okay, so the chord which is nearer to the center is the maximum length it's having. Okay, so the diameter which is passing through this point center, so here the measurement is 0 here from the center. Okay, here to here some distance is there. Okay, like, and again here, so which is far from the center having a less length in the chord. Okay, so here consider this chord which is nearer to the center of a circle, so it is having a maximum length compared to the previous back one here. Clear? So I will name it as AB and CD. So CD is the maximum length because it is nearer to the center of a circle, and AB chord having a minimum length compared to the CD because it is far away from the center. Okay, so this is the main concept we are using in the circle topic, that is the chords which are nearer to center are a maximum length, and the chords which are far away from the centers are the least length. So the chord which having a 0 length means 0 distance from the center, that is called as a diameter. So diameter is having a 0 distance from the center because it is passing through a center of a circle. Clear? Okay, next concept is theorem is there. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from a center. So there is a no proof for this theorem. Just I will explain this theorem, what the theorem it says. So there is no proof for this. So equal chords of a circles are equidistant from a center. Okay. Consider one circle here. Okay, this is the center of a circle, Now I will draw one line segment here, OM, again ON here. After that, so both having a equal measurement here, consider 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Draw the chord which are passing through these points, and here also. Okay, after that measure the distance of AB and CD. They having the same equal distance, so they having the same measurement. Clear? So the theorem says equal chords. Okay. Equal chords which are having equal distance from the center of a circle, then they having a equal chords. Okay. Okay, equal chords of a circle are equidistant from a center of a circle. Consider AB and CD are the two chords, they are equal, then they have equidistant from a center of a circle. Okay, the converse theorem of this theorem is chords equidistant from a center of a circles are equal in length. This is the converse theorem of 10.6 theorem. Clear? Okay, finally what we concluded, the chords which are equidistant from center of a circle, then they having a equal length. Okay, using this theorem we can solve 10.4 problem. Okay. Okay, exercise 10.4. in that first problem, two circle of a radii 5 centimeter 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points, and the distance between their center is 4 centimeter. Find their length of the common chord. Two circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. First I will draw 5 centimeter circle here. So I will draw 5 meter circle here. Okay, next another one circle with 3 centimeter as a radius which intersect at 2 points. Okay, and their distance of the center is 4 centimeter. Okay, one more circle here. Okay, here on center, here on center, so the distance is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now this is the chord which is passing through this intersect point. Now I will mention it as O, P, Q and Q dash. Clear? Okay, so we know that if two circles intersect at each other at 2 points, then the line joining their center is perpendicular bisector of their common chord. So length of the common chord is given by length of common chord is given by 2 equal to twice 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 centimeter is the answer. Clear? Length of the common chord is equal to we know that if two circles intersect each other at 2 points, the line joining their center, is perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Clear? That is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Clear? Okay, next third one, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within a center, prove that